Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Audi S5 key battery. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Having these items ready ensures a smooth and efficient battery replacement. A clean, well-lit area is also helpful to avoid misplacing any tiny components. This simple task can be completed in just a few minutes, restoring full functionality to your key fob. Now, let's open the key fob. Begin by finding the small release button, usually located on the side of your key. Press this button firmly and then slide out the emergency key blade. This action reveals a small slot. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist it. The two halves of the key fob casing should separate with minimal effort, exposing the internal components. With the key fob open, it's time to replace the battery. First, observe how the old battery is positioned. Typically, the positive side faces upwards. Use your small flathead screwdriver to carefully pry out the old CR2032 battery from its compartment. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it, ensuring the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. It should click securely into place. Finally, let's reassemble and test your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Press them together firmly until you hear a distinct click, indicating they are securely fastened. Next, slide the emergency key blade back into its designated slot until it locks into position. Now, test your key fob by trying to lock and unlock your Audi S5. It should respond instantly, confirming a successful battery replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.